Okay, today I thought we'd take a look at these three TV robots. These are all from the 1980s. They're all robots which I had purchased new, and they've lived the good life here in the hut. And it came as no surprise that when I put batteries in them, of course they didn't work. Robots from the 80s have all those nice plastic gears in them, which love to split. And then of course I have your normal ones that where the motor doesn't run because the grease is kind of gunked up, so you got to spank them a little while. Sometimes I let them sit and come back and spank them again and they come back to life. So I went through and opened each one up. This one actually didn't have any split gears. The motor just needed to be spun with my finger to get it going. These two both needed two 8-tooth gears each. And one of them, I forget which one, I think it was this one. I don't remember for sure. Also needed a 10-tooth gear, which had split. So stupid plastic gears that really has nothing to do with the robot. It would be all battery-operated toys that were made in the 1980s especially. They just didn't beef them up enough. The hardest thing they made on all of these of getting them apart is they did generally put two screws that you need to remove on there, and then a clip on the top you push, and a clip down on the crotch that you push. But even beyond that, the metal frame of the gearbox, the posts come through and they give them a twist. And unfortunately, it's the same story on the front. So in order to take the robot apart, you do have to carefully remove the sticker to get in there and twist those. When I put these back together, I purposely did not twist those metal frames. So if I ever had to take it apart again, it's now just a case of removing the screws and pushing the clips on the top. But they're nice robots. This one is one of my favorites. It doesn't have any weapons. It just had the pictures. I really like the way the eyes look. And here is the box. Nothing really special there. Nothing I can tell you about anyway. Let me look on the back of this one. CE. Got the number. This one isn't saying where it was made. I believe the other two do. Nothing on the box and nothing on the robot. So there you go. So basically, you've got your motion picture screen going on there, and then it'll turn that off and go into walk mode with the blinking eyes. Then it'll cycle back around into the TV picture mode at some point, like right there. And I think the arms are only posable. And of course, you can on this one with the guns, you can pose where they're at. Now this one on the back says caution for ages 5 and up. That one was for 3 and up. And this one says it was made in Hong Kong. Here's its box. A fancier looking box. Children under, and then it doesn't say anything on the front. It just says children under. So you're supposed to put your children under this thing. Of course, all the inserts and everything are in there. And they've got stickers all over the place on it. And the rockets will fire. So there you are in your walk mode with the flashing eyes. You can see it does have a different eyes. It has just a big red area. And then there's your picture screen. And then it will switch back at some point to walking mode. And this one, space TV robot, space robot. Let's see if there's anything on there. Triumph LA, whatever that means. This one says made in Hong Kong. Got your rockets that can fire. See if there's anything on the back. Just made in Hong Kong, nothing else special. Of course, you can position your your missiles to shoot up, down. This one's a little on the loose side. And got the same thing, got your moving pictures. And then it should switch to walk mode. We'll see. Oh, there it goes. Walking with the flashing eyes. So there you have it. 3 variations of TV robots from the 1980s, repaired and working once again.